Hello everyone. I know being Bengali traveling out of Kolkata during Durga Puja is a bit sad, but when it's Kashmir, I just couldn't wait.
Now it's almost 5:30 pm and carrying so many luggages, we finally boarded the train and the journey begins. Okay, it's 9 am and it looks like we've reached Benares as I can see the Kashi temple and the Ganga Ghat. Now I think today our journey will be entirely through UP. Good morning everyone, and it's 7 am. Looks like we have entered Punjab as I can see the green fields of wheat bajra, and I guess we'll reach Amritsar by 10. And after getting fresh, we're already out. Oh, the clock tower building is already visible now. And the mantras behind with this beautiful music, though I couldn't understand the meaning of these mantras, still it makes the entire atmosphere full of peace. We have already kept our shoes and here we have to wash our hands and then enter the Darbar Sahib. Oh, here's the place to wash our feet and enter. Okay, and finally the golden aura of the temple reflects my eye. And it's compulsory to cover your hair and come entire head with any clothes inside. The white building all around is called Akal Takht. Now here we are standing in the line of main entrance for the Darsana Darwara. Wow, the doors are gold foiled and covered with copper shades with beautiful designs of birds and flowers. And these are the floral designs on the marble panels of the walls. It's beautiful. Though photography is strictly prohibited inside the temple, but could manage to take one for you. Now this pool in front of the temple is believed to be sacred, as the Sikhs believe that taking bath in this pool will purify one's karma. Now we have to quickly get back to our hotel and get fresh as we need to move out for Wagah border. So let's see.
Good afternoon everyone. It's almost 3 pm and here we go.
On the way, our driver said that this is Durga temple, so let's see that. The temple assumed to be small from outside, but after entering inside, we found a huge cave that basically resembles Ma Vaishno Devi temple. We got mesmerized as it took total 10 minutes to cover the entire temple inside. Now we are moving out as we need to go for the ceremony as we are already late. Oh, on the way, I just found a man who was ready with his colors to draw the tattoo of the Indian flag, so I just decided to draw it on my face. Now we have kept our bags and almost we are near to the largest pole in India, that is in Atari. The Wagah border ceremony at Border Gate happens 2 hours before sunset each day, and here we have already taken our seats and very excited to see the march past. In the beginning, for honoring the Indian women, they asked us to perform something in the area. After this, we took our seat and the ceremony begins. I really got goosebumps watching the BSFs performing the wonderful marching past event. Here the boundary demarcation line dividing the India and Pakistan upon partition of British India is also seen. The ceremony ended with our national anthem. The entire atmosphere was full of peace and it provoked us to take an oath to be a responsible Indian citizen. While moving out, we are very lucky to get two officers and we requested to take photography with us. I know it will take some time to move out from this atmosphere, but at the same time I was excited to see the night view of Amritsar temple. Oh, it's already 7:30 PM and we just saw that the light and sound event of Jallianwala Bagh will begin at 8:15. So without wasting any time, we decided to watch the light and sound at first and then move to see the night view of the Golden Temple. Oh my god, after the half an hour light and sound event, I couldn't resist my tears, believe me. Holding on my emotions, I moved out from there. We were moving on the way of the Golden Temple. The night beauty cannot be explained through these photos and through my words. So after moving out, it could be incomplete if I don't have some lassi from Amritsar. Oh, it was full, creamy and wonderful in taste. Now here's the Amritsar market full of Patiala and Punjabi kurtis. Here I can see some Punjabi shoes. Amritsar is famous for its lassi and kulfi. You must really try this. So this was our one-day tour in Amritsar. Now we need to quickly go back to our hotel and pack up. So we'll see you all at Jammu tomorrow. Bye bye till then. Take care.